Hey there, everybody. It's John here. I am working on doing the 100 Days of Code Challenge. Today would be my second day. It is July 12th. July 13th. My mistake. July 12th was the first day I did it, but I forgot to record. You're going to see here in the first part, I didn't realize, but I was having an issue and my account had timed out basically. So it wasn't saving my progress. So I do a couple, then I realize that it's saying that. This is just doing the strike through a text. I had to put a strike through Google and add Alphabet. I am doing this off of an iPad Air 3 because it's the easiest thing for me to use right now. I have a keyboard and everything for it, which is nice. And this one I forgot to put Alphabet in the first time, so I had to go back and do it. Simple mistake. That blue bar at the top I didn't notice right away. That's what's telling me that it is not saving my progress. I didn't notice it the first time. So I went through, and then this is where I noticed that it wasn't working. So then I went to my profile page and double checked that it was not updating there. So then I went and started searching. I googled, read part of a forum, which you'll end up seeing here. Then I went over to the Twitter page for Free Code Camp, because in the past they'd posted there when they were having issues, which I forgot about, to be honest, because I normally don't use Twitter, but I do have Twitter. You guys can go ahead and follow me there if you want. I will let you know what my tag is once I double check what it is, because like I said, I normally don't use it, but I'm going to try and use it a little bit more. So this is me just doing the Google search to find a forum, and then you'll see I read part of the forum, and then I switch over to searching on Twitter. Turned out my account had just timed out because the web page had still been open from the day before. So all I had to do was sign out, sign back in. I did stop the recording when I did that, just so it didn't record my email, just because I don't want to get a bunch of random spam. If you hear anything in the background, I do live close to the train tracks, so sometimes you'll hear trains, or right now where I'm recording, I'm on the main level of the house I'm in, and you'll hear other people in the background sometimes. So yeah, here's Twitter. I just looked for, their latest post and saw that they didn't post anything about having issues. So then I hopped out of there, went back, and this is where I paused the recording and signed out and signed back in, which you'll see here in a moment. I sign out and then I cut back when I'm already back to the challenge. Hi Donna. Sometimes you'll hear the cats. I have a couple of kitties. Currently Donna just jumped up here and meowed at me. So when I had signed back in, I started the recording again. All we had to do was resubmit the first challenge, and then I redid this one. This one took me a little bit because it didn't like how I was formatting things. So, but I'm going to try and do 4 to 5 of these challenges each day. At least. I would like to try and do 10. I'm working through my front end developer program with FreeCodeCamp. If anyone is interested in web design, I would highly recommend FreeCodeCamp because it is free, tons of resources. I remember back when I first started, they had where you could submit stuff to their open source branches on GitHub. I don't know if they still do. I haven't tried it. I'll be honest, I never got far enough to be good enough to try that in my eyes. They've added a lot more stuff since I first tried FreeCodeCamp a few years ago. They've added more degree programs, and what do you have to lose? Just a little bit of time you invest. It's free, there's no cost. I would highly recommend it for anyone who's just interested in trying to learn some of it and get a feel to see if it's something that they may want to pursue. With that being said, I'm just going to let the video keep playing, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for watching.
You can set the background color for almost any type of element. For instance, you can set the background color of an H4, a paragraph, anything with the We're not going to set it how we've done it before. We're going to use RGBA. So before we did RGB, and now this is RGBA. The R is red, green, blue, and then the